Hello and welcome to this video on the benefits of meditation for stress relief. A guide to finding inner peace. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to promote inner peace, reduce stress, and enhance well-being. In this video, we will explore the various benefits of meditation, different types of meditation practices, and how to get started with meditation. Chapter 1. Understanding stress. Before we dive into the benefits of meditation, let's take a moment to understand stress. Stress is a common experience that we all face in our daily lives. It is the body's natural response to a perceived threat, and it can be triggered by a variety of factors such as work pressure, financial worries, relationship problems, or health concerns. Stress can lead to a range of physical and emotional symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, irritability, anxiety, and depression. Chapter 2. Benefits of meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help us manage stress and promote inner peace. Here are some of the benefits of meditation. Reduces stress. One of the most well-known benefits of meditation is that it helps to reduce stress. When we meditate, we activate the body's relaxation response, which lowers blood pressure, heart rate, and levels of stress hormones. Enhances well-being. Meditation has been shown to enhance overall well-being by promoting positive emotions, increasing self-awareness, and improving mood. Improves concentration. Meditation can help improve concentration and focus by training the mind to stay present in the moment. Boosts immunity. Research suggests that meditation can boost the immune system, which helps us to fight off infections and diseases. Promotes better sleep. Meditation can promote better sleep by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Chapter 3. Different types of meditation. There are many different types of meditation practices, each with its unique focus and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on the present moment and observing thoughts and emotions without judgment. Transcendental meditation. This type of meditation involves repeating a mantra to help the mind achieve a state of deep relaxation. Loving kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards oneself and others. Body scan meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on different parts of the body and bringing awareness to physical sensations. Chapter 4. How to get started with meditation. Getting started with meditation can be challenging, especially if you have never meditated before. Here are some tips to help you get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place to meditate. Choose a quiet and peaceful place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Start with short sessions. Start with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Focus on your breath. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Use guided meditations. There are many guided meditation apps and videos that can help you get started with meditation. Conclusion. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can help us manage stress and promote inner peace. By understanding the benefits of meditation and different types of meditation practices, we can start to incorporate this practice into our daily lives. Remember, meditation takes time and patience, so be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey towards finding inner peace.